Good morning, everybody. As of recording, this is 7:46. The market has been open for 60 minutes of recording. I just bought some GameStop this morning because I think it's a pretty undervalued piece of asset. But again, this is my opinion. This is opinion based, and I will give you my reasons why I think GameStop is undervalued. First of all, this lockdown is causing people to play more games because people are bored. So a lot of people, and plus, a lot of people are also trying to reserve some money, not spend too much. So they're probably buying used games from GameStop, which is probably helping GameStop's business big time in this scenario, at least in my opinion. And another reason why I think GameStop is undervalued, because if you look at its market cap, it's $284 million. And then we go to their finances. Last quarter, they made $2 billion with EBITDA of $76 million. So they were profitable $76 million. And they made $2.2 billion in revenue. And then we look at the balance sheet for that quarter. They had a total. Right now, they currently have a total cash position of $499 million, almost $500 million, and they have a market cap of how much? $285 million. So yeah, I do think that just from that perspective, I think slightly undervalued. And then we look at the balance sheet and we look at, yes, GameStop is struggling right now, and if you look into the future, GameStop overall is, not like their future doesn't look bright, simply because the gaming world is going digital, and GameStop doesn't really have a solution for that. That's the biggest reason why there's a lot of bears on GameStop. But if we look at the shareholder equity, it's $611 million, but they do have a total of $1.2 billion of debt. This $1.2 billion of debt is not too bad, simply because interest rates are at zero in the United States. They can refinance for a lower interest rate, which would really help them out, And plus, interest rates are kind of like a tax write-off, in my opinion. And $1.2 billion of debt is not that bad, at least in my opinion. And let's just quickly look at the cash flow. Cash flow right now for they had a free cash flow of $223 million. And the past 2 quarters, they even repurchased some of their stock because they thought it was undervalued, which is kind of freaky a little bit, in my opinion. So yeah, operating cash flow for that quarter was $240 million, and free cash flow was $223 million. Pretty amazing results, in my opinion. Yeah, the market cap is how much? $286 million. And then there's another kicker. Let's look at the share amount, right? Let's look at their float. They have a total outstanding shares of 64.58 million outstanding shares. A float of 49.4 million. Look how many shares are shorted. 57 million shares shorted as of April 30th, 2020. 57 million shares. Just think about that. 57 million shares. Outstanding shares of 64 million. Float of 49.4 million. Shares shorted of 57 million shares. 88% of the company is shorted. That means that if GameStop came out with some amazing numbers, you could have a massive short squeeze to the upside, like big time. Big time. Because there's extremely there's an extreme short amount of shares traded on GameStop. So, and then I honestly believe that you know, there's a lot of used games that are being sold right now, and a lot of consoles and accessories and everything else at GameStop is selling because people are bored at home. They want something to do, and I think GameStop's benefiting big time from this pandemic that's happening worldwide. At least this is my opinion. None of this is financial advice. Please don't follow me. I will lose 1,000% of your money if you listen to me. This is not financial advice. I just personally, this is my personal opinion. I think this company is undervalued, and please don't follow me because the stock could go lower. At the end of the day, it can go lower. Look, chart bearish. Short term down, mid-term down, long-term down. I'm not going to share my position because I don't want to share my position with every trade I do, but I bought some because of some, not a huge amount, because there's still a possibility the stock price could still go further down because the lowest this thing has been is $2.80. If it goes down to $2.80 again, I'm buying more because I think it's extremely undervalued at $2.80. I think at $4 it's a fair price, but it can go lower. We can see it go to $3.39 or $3. I don't know what's gonna happen at the end of the day. Michael Berry has a big stake in it, but he did lower his stake on May 7, 2020 at 7 a.m. It's kind of funny. But anyways, he lowered it to he sold 598,000 shares. Now he has a total of $3.36 million per share, average of 562. He's down on a position. Has an overall stake of 2.8 million shares, GameStop shares, at a stake of 4.3%, down from 3.4 million shares. Okay, so yeah, he reduced his amount of shares, but his average price is 562, so he's actually losing money on his GameStop position. So yeah, he nobody's an expert at picking stocks. Even Michael Berry, who called out the Big Short, he's not doing that great on his GameStop. He's losing money just holding on to his GameStop, and he may even lose further if the stock price drops. So we'll see what happens. I just think that GameStop float is nice, but they're not backed by super rich investors. That's the reason why there's no pump on GameStop, because it easily can be manipulated to the upside and have a short squeeze if they have some amazing numbers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. A lot of YouTubers call for it, so I should too, just in case it helps my channel grow. Anyways, moving forward, unlike Aurora, Aurora is worth $1.74 billion. They make nowhere near the amount of revenue that GameStop makes. But Aurora has rich investors backing it. That's simply the case at the end of the day. Aurora has super rich investors backing the company. So yeah, that's the reason why Aurora is worth $1.74 billion. USO is worth $3.49 billion. Jeremy came out not too long ago saying he will sell his USO stock. I'm surprised that it's not trading in the negative red today, but it's not. Oil is up today 3.88%. USO should be in the red because Jeremy's like, I'm going to sell my stock. So I'm surprised all his followers don't just go on mass binge of selling their stock, trying to take in some profit. The SPY is up 1.92%, $5.65. Afria is up 8.5 cents after hours, 2.22%. Kron is up 8%. 8 cents. Oh no, it's actually down. Canopy Growth is up 5.2%, trading on $7.53 billion. That's crazy. That's a crazy market cap in my opinion. So yeah, Tilray is up this morning 3 cents, 4 cents. Not too much to say about that. Navax had a big boost this morning, up $7.69. Maybe some kind of coronavirus news. That's the reason why it's up so much. Didn't really look into it. mRNA fell $5.16. Could be an opportunity for a swing trade, but again, it is starting a downtrend. So we'll see what happens moving forward. Grubhub this morning is down 11 cents. Oh no, it's up 27 cents, while Uber is up 21 cents this morning. Jeremy sold off his Uber stock, but Uber is not going down simply because nobody on his financial education channel has Uber stock. Probably not, because they're already looking at their finances and Uber is losing a ton of money. So, yeah. I don't know. I honestly would not touch Uber's stock at all. At all. That's just me, though. Space this morning down 14 cents, 0.92%. Not too much to say about that. Space could be an opportunity, or it could go down further. I don't know at the end of the day. Watch what rich investors will do. VTIQ, up 99 cents this morning. I don't think retail investors are involved in this whatsoever. Maybe I'm wrong, and there's a ton of retail investors propping this up to 26.65. But Hyperchain came out, bashed it, stock still goes up anyways. So yeah, that just makes no sense in my mind. Curaleaf this morning is trading sideways. Harvest Health is up 13 cents. Let's see what iCarrot. Let's see what iCarrot's doing this morning. EYC stock. Oh, down this morning. 2 cents. 8.33%. I jumped the gun a little bit. Oh well, whatever. All I can do is hope it keeps going down to 12 cents and then make another gamble. And if it keeps going down from there, then I just got screwed over. RTI this morning down half a penny, trading at 252,000 volume. Don't know why I have RTI up. T-God this morning is down 3 cents. Actually, this morning is up half a penny. Is there any other? Xena trading flat. Harvest Health this morning trading sideways. Liberal Health Science this morning down 1 cent. Slang this morning looks like it's crashing. Oh, crashed down to 24 cents. Australia's capital probably crashed this morning. Yep, down 2 cents. Medman this morning up 3 cents. Ianthus this morning crashed down 11%, 5.5 cents. True Eve this morning is trading sideways. Cresco Labs is trading sideways. Vero Health is up a penny. Not too much to say about that. Bitcoin this morning is kind of just trading sideways. And Hive stock. What is Hive Blockchain doing? Hive Blockchain is down 2 cents this morning. Not too much to say about that. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.